Kamusta sunod, madam? Kumusta po?
I'm here. Ano naman ako? Crowd Relations Officer.
Mahirap talaga maliit.
Okay naman, he is doing well. And he is happy to know that he is continuing to receive love and support from the Filipino communities from all over the world. And he is happy to see us, his family.
Medyo matagal po kayo ngayon.
Merong pong mga situation sa loob na it's beyond our control. Doon lang siya sa loob ng mga ano. But we're happy that they gave us extra time to make up for the time we lost for some things that happened inside, yes.
Maybe this is the first time na kompleto kayo, si Miss Hanelet, si Kitty, kayo po. How has this uplifted the spirit of your father?
Well, I believe he's happy because Kitty and I were there, and then we talked about her boyfriend.
Patay! Nag-blush!
Thank you. Thank you, ma'am.
Bibi, Marlica po.
Yes, mama.
Kumusta po si PRRD at this point in time?
Okay naman siya. Okay siya. Kitty gave him a massage.
Wow! Unfair!
And then Kitty, ikaw na magsabi.
Well, yung mga
Na ano siya, na speechless siya sa boyfriend. Hindi ata ready sa questions ha.
Ano sabi ni Daddy?
So ayun, I was updating him with the situation with our families, and he's happy to hear that we are all doing well, that we are all okay, that we are continuing to pray for him. And ayun, mga positive things lang. We are telling him things that will uplift his spirit and things that will give him strength while he is inside.
Nice. May advice pa siya sa'yo?
Secret mo. May mga bilin
About
siya.
boyfriend.
May
Na-shock ba
mga
siya?
bilin siya, pero sa sunod na.
Secret mo lang.
VP, may balak po ba kayo mag-file ng request for hearing on procedural matters prior to the September 23 confirmation of hearing?
This is something
Confirmation
that
charges.
yes. Sa legal side, you need to talk to Nicholas Kaufman. So he's the only person that can talk about what they will do with regard to matters inside the ICC.
How are you, VP?
Pagyapon.
Okay lang. Not a problem. I'm just waiting for one more document, and then tapos na yung trabaho ko dito. But personally, I'm okay.
Are you going back to the Philippines after that?
Yes, opo. Oo. Yan na lang yung inaantay, yung document na yan. Tapos pwede na akong umuwi.
VP, something personal. Ano po yung reflections nyo, mo, ng pamilya, since this thing happened? I'm sure in one of the moments you're thinking of something you could share.
Ikaw muna. Or ako muna? Okay, ako muna. Sige. I'm happy.
Baka
I think I don't have the word right now. I only have happy, but it's the incorrect word to describe it. But blessed. I'm blessed because I gained a sister with what happened to me after the attacks, the confidential funds attacks, the impeachment, and we have a relationship now. I have a relationship with Kitty, and I'm happy now. Sabi ko nga sa kanya, I'm happy that I have a sister kasi meron akong pagagalitan. Growing up, wala akong ganun, but meron ako niyan ngayon. Pinagagalitan na kapatid. And then, I'm happy as well. And this really is ironic. But I have to thank Bongbong Marcos because there was forgiveness between me and PRD for all that has happened in our lives. And we have a relationship now, a father-daughter relationship, since we cannot discuss anything legal anymore because it is understood inside that only the lawyers can discuss legal matters with the former president. So we only discuss about family, and this has been one of the longest meetings I have had with the former president. Growing up, he was always busy with work. He was always busy with the country. And now I have this every day with him, talking about life, talking about family. And for that, I feel like I am blessed.
Bless. Yeah.
Because at this point, he's already 80 and he's already retired. But going back as mayor, baka mabisi na naman siya sa kanyang trabaho. So, nabigyan kami ng ganitong time na makapag-usap as a father-daughter.
Yeah. Nice kayo.
It's
yeah.
sad lang that it has to happen inside.
Yeah.
See?
Pero there
I
is
decided
a good side. It's blessing.
But yes, thank you sa kanya.
Happy siya, ma'am. Everyday mo na
Yeah.
ay bisita.
Oh yes.
He is really happy to see us. As I have told him, that the family has never been more united, not just with us siblings, but with everyone else in the family. So he's happy to hear that, and not just us, sa mga supporters. Yes. I told him of that. I told him that, especially on his birthday, there were people with speakers. They brought speakers and the microphone. They were singing a happy birthday song to him. He knows that, and he was very happy to hear that. And I told him of all the support everywhere in the world, from everywhere in the Philippines and everywhere in
The buffet